Good day, and now breaking news in the fiber optic industry. The Rapid Connect Cat6 copper patch cables are the copper cabling solution for today's office environment. Connecting components like routers and servers and switches, the quick and easy switching makes it ideal for high-density environments or complicated installs. Now, the benefits of the Rapid Connect Cat6 copper patch cables has seen it become the minimum standard for the new cable installation and is manufactured using a low smoke, zero halogen jacket, providing a safer alternative to the old style PVC jacket. Consisting of 4 twisted copper pairs, which are all utilized for the data transfer, the Rapid Connect Cat6 copper patch cables are available in a wide variety of colors and lengths, all upon your request. The Rapid Connect Cat6 patch cable design also reduces server clutter for superior cable management. So why not? Request Rapid Connect Cat6 patch cables now. To find out more, just visit Anderson's website as shown below.